qualify MBA colleges in Kadapa. Number 5. Kandula Obul Memorial College of Engineering, established 1995. Accreditation NAAC. Affiliated JNTU Anantapur. Eligibility: graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses: MBA. Location: Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. Number 4. ANNAMACHARYA Institute of Technology and Sciences, established 1997. Accreditation NAAC. Affiliated JNTU Anantapur. Eligibility: graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses offered as shown. Location: Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. Number 3. VAAGDEVI Institute of Technology and Sciences, established 2002. Accreditation: AICTE. Affiliated JNTU Anantapur. Eligibility: graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses offered as shown. Location: Reddy, Andhra Pradesh. Number 2. Kandula Reddy Memorial College of Engineering, established 1995. Accreditation NAAC. Affiliated JNTU Anantapur. Eligibility: graduation with 50% and APICET. Courses: MBA. Location: Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. Number 1. YOGIVEMANA Management of College, established 2006. Accreditation NAAC. Affiliated UGC. Eligibility: graduation with 50% and YBU set. Courses offered as shown. Location: Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. For more details, log on to GraduatesEngine.com.